we are going to tell about one article, that is heavy rain throws traffic out of gear. Now my friend Jiteshan is going to tell about it.
In Hyderabad, on Wednesday, it rained heavily. The temperature as 33 degrees altitude. The roads are filled with water and caused a traffic jam because of the temperature. My friend Amulya will speak now. The city recorded 4.5 centimeters of rain on Wednesday, till the reports came late till evening. Now my friend was sharing.
Past tense. On Wednesday, the rain fell so much. It not only rained in Secunderabad, it rained in Belgaum, Julians, Masatlank, and all the people complained to GHMC that they are not cleaning areas and the trees are falling on homes. Officials of Indian Meteorological Center in Hyderabad claimed that it was first major spell to heavy rain city recorded this monsoon season. Officials forecasted heavy rains for the next 3 to 4